Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all are fine by the blessing of Allah. Student, today we discuss review exercise of unit number 5. Review exercise of unit number 5. Question number 1. 4 options are given below each statement. Encircle the correct one. Encircle the correct one. For example, in first part he mentioned 4x plus 2y plus 3z is an algebraic. Student, if he has here equal sign, that's equation, but here you have for 3 terms with operations addition, so that is called expression. You will take expression. Similarly, in second part, the alphabet which can assume different values is called, if the sign or symbol or alphabet which have fixed value, that is called constant. If they have different values, it means these are variable. So you will tick or circle variable. In third part, you have in 2x minus 3y plus 4z, there are how many variables? X, y and z. These are 3 variables because he mentioned variable, so there are 3 variables. One is x, second is y and third is z. Similarly, student, in fourth part he mentioned dash are used to represent variable, because student, alphabets are used for variable. You already discussed in definition. Next, fifth, an algebraic expression can contain. In first option he mentioned number, variables and operators. In B part, numbers and operators. In C part he mentioned variable only. No. Student, you take B part according to your book, number and operations. Here he mentioned an algebraic expression can contain. Student, according to your book, that's number and operator, but an algebraic expression, student, have 3 things: numbers, variables and operations. Because in this algebraic expression you have numbers for variable x, y, z and operator mean plus minus. It means A option is more correct, but according to your book you mentioned B part. 2x raised to power minus 2, that is not polynomial. Because power is negative. If power is positive, then that is polynomial. But here variable has power negative, so that is not polynomial. In seventh part, in 3x square plus 2x minus 1, the degree of the polynomial is, because the maximum power in this equation is 2, so the degree of polynomial is 2. So you will take 2. In next part 8, in a polynomial, the number multiple with variable is called coefficient, because here 3 and 2 are multiplied with variable x, so these are called coefficient. Here he mentioned in a polynomial, the number multiplied with variable, these are called coefficients. 3y square is a polynomial. 3y square is a quadratic polynomial, because the degree of this polynomial is 2, so that is called quadratic polynomial. Student, so you will take B. Because here the power of the polynomial is 2, power of the variable is 2, so that is called quadratic. Next, 10th, biquadratic algebraic expression is a polynomial of degree, student, of degree 4. Of degree not 1, not 2, that is degree 4. Student, that is degree 4, so you will take D option. Thank you, student. Jazakallah.